Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, I showed you how to make the English and sounds. We'll practice those sounds again today with a little extra challenge. This lesson is about timing. You'll learn to pronounce two sounds together quickly with no gap between them. First, we need to talk about rhythm. Japanese uses moras. Every mora is one unit. Usually, this means one kana. You can see this in haiku. 5 moras, 7 moras, 5 moras. English rhythm doesn't use moras the way Japanese does. In English, syllables are the basic unit. Here is my English translation of basho. It has 5 syllables, then 7 syllables, then 5. There is an old pond. A frog dives in with a splash. Hear the water's sound. That's English rhythm. Wait, you say. There are too many sounds in one box. Why are frog and splash the same as That's crazy. Sorry, English has a different system, but you can learn it. I've written the poem again in IPA. Now you can see there's only one vowel in each box. Some are diphthongs, but the system still works. Basically, in English, we count the vowels. This means we say splash with one beat. It's the same length as the or is. Kind of. I'm making this simple. To do this, we need to say consonant clusters. We have to say 2 or 3 consonants together, like in frog and splash. This means that the sounds have to overlap a little. We can't say supulash. That's not English. Let's try pl first. Do you remember the l sound? Touch your tongue to the top of your mouth, behind your teeth. Let the sides of your tongue down and use your voice. La. Allah. Keep your tongue up, still touching. Close your lips to make a p sound. Release the sounds together. Pla. A pla. Play. Play. Please. Please. Apply. Apply. Supplement. Supplement. Now, let's try a cl sound. It's a little harder, but I know you can do it. Touch your tongue to start the l. Then touch in the back for the k, but don't move your tongue tip. K. Release them together. Cla. A cla. Clover. Clover. Climate. Climate. Cyclical. Cyclical. Recline. Recline. Now let's try an R sound. Let's try fr first. Do you remember the R sound? Curl your tongue back and round your lips. R, ra, a ra. Don't move your tongue. Keep the shape. Now touch your bottom lip to your teeth to say th, fra. Release them together. Fra, fra, a fra. Friend, friend. Frankenstein, Frankenstein. Afraid, afraid. Africa, Africa. Next, let's try thr. Thr. This is a difficult sound, but you can do it with practice. You have to move your tongue back fast. Touch your teeth with your tongue and move it quickly back. Thr. Round your lips. Thra. Thra. A thra. A thra. 3. 3. Thread, thread. Enthrall, enthrall. Let's try some phrases. The water is crystal clear. The water is crystal clear. My friend flew the plane. My friend flew the plane. 3 blackberry bushes are growing in my garden. 3 blackberry bushes are growing in my garden. Are you free on Friday at 3 o'clock? Are you free on Friday at 3 o'clock? In the next lesson, I'll tell you about the connection between voice and length. Why is ice shorter than eyes? Why is bag shorter than back? Ooh, bag is longer than back. Join me in the next lesson to find out. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Bye-bye.